The November 8, November Kilo Field Day antenna entry for 2020. Let's walk the wire. We're at about 5.5 feet there. We're coming upon antenna tower number 1. I'd like to illustrate the attachment method if the camera would focus, but it won't, so we'll carry on. I allowed myself these materials: speaker wire, bamboo sticks, duct tape. Now, full disclosure, I said I was going to allow myself 4 antenna towers, and that's true. We needed some gussets for strength on tower number 1. Maybe I'll rent that tower to Sprint, Verizon. Not T-Mobile though, they suck. Antenna tower number 2, not supported, inserted in the ground about 2 inches. Hello, cacti. You're the best. Splice number 1. Antenna tower number 3, bamboo stick inserted in the ground about 2 inches. Antenna tower and termination tower number 4. Double bamboo stick for strength, tied off to a tree branch with paracord. Gator clip in case I need to add a bit more, which I imagine I will. And if I do, goes up over the barn. And I'm going to go see what kind of match I got here. Okay, that took a few minutes. You see, I had to use Little Schmo again because the Hot Twins are lacking 81-to-1 tap. And so, Little Schmo, give us the show. Hang on. I gotta hurry. I'm running out of time. I'll show you why. I'll tell you why. Why am I shaking? Anyway, we're calling it good enough for the moment. That the 80 meter end fed then is going to serve me in field day on 80, 40, and 15, and 20 if I can pull it off. Hang on a sec. And back we are on the range. Field day. That day when amateur radio operators hastily erected antennas and see if they can make contacts on the air from parks and fields all over America. I had to clip on some more, as I knew I would. When it was laying on the ground, yeah, the tuning was a little off. So there you go. That's my field day end-fed half-wave desperation wire antenna, and this is the configuration that I'm going to play on field day. I'm just screwing around. So I gotta hurry, man. I got a big event happening tonight. So there we go, man. After field day, this antenna will serve. Let's walk the wire. This antenna will serve as my test of a desperation mode 80 meter end fed half wave. So, man, I'm running out of time. I need cheeseburgers. I need Burger King. I need Rallies or Halo Burger. I need Olive Burgers. I need to get back here by 8 o'clock. I need to go get something to eat and get back here by 8 o'clock because I'm going to listen to Lizzie Fan 1986 attempt to get help with his audio. He found some expert help, and I spoke with him on air one time, and his audio was astounding. But Lizzie Fan 1986 has an expert that can help him put the magic touch to his audio. I wish you all well. I wish you all good luck on field day if you play. 73.